Okay, so for the first activity, you're just going to play around. So as we can see in this page, you've got the getting in shape, cheesy name, where you've got to use straight lines, which is turtle dot forward and then the length of the line, and turning left or right with the angle that you want to turn being in the brackets to draw straight-sided shapes. Now you can draw any straight-sided shape. You can play around with changing the length of the sides and the angle that the turtle turns, and then repeating some code to make it draw different things. For example, squares, hexagons, an equilateral triangle, and a hexagon. So these shapes all need to have the same angle for every turn. So I can see here that instead of typing the number into the bracket, we've got the number up here just to save the amount of typing you need to do. So when I run this with a side length of 90 and an angle of 100, let me just slow down Adrian. Okay, so he's moved forward 90 because he's moved forward the side length, and side length is 90. He has turned right the angle 100. He's moved forward the length of the side 90, and he's turned the angle 100. So if we just have a look at what would happen if we copy that and make that run twice. Okay, and we can keep going. And we're starting to draw geometric shapes. Now this isn't an actual shape, this is random lines. So using those instructions, can you break it down to draw a square, a hexagon, an equilateral triangle, or I'll put hexagon twice, octagon. So can you make it draw different shapes? And once you've done that, you can move on to the Maze Challenge 1. Okay, which if you've got this, Maze Challenge 1 should be relatively simple.